Is your toilet looking like crap? Has your tank topper fallen on the floor? Okay, do you have a cracked toilet tank cover or something else that's broken in your home? JB Weld can fix it. This is not sponsored content. I just happen to have used it many times and have been impressed. JB Weld is one of the most trusted names when it comes to repairing and mending products. Okay, we are going to attempt JB Weld to repair the toilet tank topper, and then also this broken toilet brush snapped. We're going to repair that. Hey, there's some water left in there. Spicy. JB Weld dries clear can be used interior and exterior on tile, most plastics, ceramics, glass, and wood. This all-purpose two-part A and B compound dries quickly. Okay, the JB Weld box will come with the two-part epoxy, and the tray is actually used as a mixing tray and then a stirrer to mix it up. Now make sure you buy the clear if that matters to you and not the dark gray color. This tip is reusable. You're going to squirt in the two-part A and B into the mixing tray. This will mix at a 50-50% ratio. I'm going to go ahead and mix it all up at once because I got a big project here. And then you mix the parts together. That's going to start a chemical reaction. You actually see it go from a clear to a cloudy. That lets you know you're mixing it correctly. This toilet tank is pretty rough shape. I don't know 100% how good of a job it's going to do. This will set up quickly in just a couple minutes and achieving full strength in 1 hour. This is one of their fast setting varieties. They have other varieties as well. I'm just going to put it on one side of the tank, the tank cover. That will dry clear. Let's push this together. Now this is a pretty serious chemical, so I don't want it on my skin. I'm going to smooth out these areas. Okay, so it's not going to be a perfect because when it hit the floor, it did a lot of damage. But let's see if that will hold together to keep us in business for a few more years. Let's move on to the toilet brush. It does work with most types of plastic. Liberally apply it there. This one, I think I'm going to go ahead and do both sides. That's the side we want. And I'll find the sweet spot. Okay. Okay, since I had extra epoxy, I went in ahead and filled the extra little holes and divots just to give it a better chance of sealing stronger. I know it won't look perfect, but it will be a rapid repair until somebody can replace their toilet. Welcome back. We've given the JB Weld about 10 minutes to set. Full cure time is still an hour, but we wanted to test it out and see what happened. This is the toilet brush. Go ahead and clean. It is fixed up. Now onto the toilet tank topper. Let's see if that will work. And I honestly have no idea if this will hold together or not. Okay, these cracks were much more severe than I had thought. Let's see if it will hold. I honestly have no idea. So far, so good. Okay, that's what you've been missing. Toilet tank topper secured. Hey guys, that was a rapid repair by JB Weld. Not sponsored content, but there is a product link in the video description down below. You did it yourself. I knew you could. We'll see you next week.